Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to unlink your bank account in Webull. If you don't have a Webull account yet, we will put our referral link in the description below for you to sign up and get free stocks. We will also put links in the description below for similar stock trading apps for you to sign up. So let's get started. Open the website and then click on Login. To log in, enter your mobile number or email address and password. You also have the option to scan the QR code. Then, click on the Login button. After logging in, you will be directed to the My Account page. Next, click on the Verify button. A pop-up window will then appear, asking you to enter your trading password. Let's go ahead and enter our trading password. Under My Account, you'll be able to see more options. Then, click on the Deposit option. Here, you will see your bank account information. Then, click on the Unlink button. A pop-up window will then appear. Read and understand the information first before confirming. Then, click on the Yes, I confirm button. And that is how you unlink your bank account in Webull. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses. See you in our next video.